This is the Ronin 2 remote controller serial number. As you can see, we are charging this remote, but it's not getting charged properly. We have kept it for a long time, but then also it's only showing these 2%. Only these 2% are charging and these two is not getting charged. We have kept it for half an hour, 1 hour also, but it's still not getting completed full. And there are issues with this also, joystick also, as we calibrate it, but then also the gimbal is not stable. There is a issue with the joystick and with the battery, because we have kept it. Look, now the display has gone, one light is not blinking. As you can see, this light is not blinking and these three are blinking. You have seen that there is a issue with this. Now look, now again the issue has started. Look, there is a issue with the joystick. As you can see, the lights are not completed. There is an issue with this joystick remote controller. Look, again it started. Again let's get the problem. Kindly check the serial number once again and check the issue once again.